Hello, my dear 9th graders. Welcome back to your very own BYJU'S 9th and 10th channel. I'm Saurabh, your physics mentor, and today we are here because we want to skill up. You know, this is the ANTHE season running, and registrations are almost going to close very soon. So please register right now. क्यों करना है? जेई देने का मन है या नीट देने का मन है? Then register for ANTHE. It's very important. So everybody, today we are here with your favorite Menti session. So everybody, just call your friends, everyone who wants to join. Questions अच्छे होंगे, थोड़े से tough भी होंगे, और Menti पे होंगे. Double फायदा, right? So how are you? कैसे हैं सब लोग? Good evening. Hello Amanyu, Jasim, Happy Angel. Very good. Hi Amandeep. Hello Serenity. Inertia. Good evening. Good evening. Hey Ishu. Hello Sanjeev. Yes everybody, come on. Today it's going to be a Menti session, which means तुमको पता है करना क्या है, पहले Menti में लॉगिन करना है. But before that, we have to register for ANTHE. कितने लोगों ने रजिस्टर किया है ANTHE के लिए? सही बताना. देखो, I'm not saying you join the coaching. I'm saying give ANTHE. कितने लोगों ने रजिस्टर किया है सच में ANTHE के लिए? Yes. Good evening. Can't join Menti. Why? Class 10th का हाँ शीलू. Yesterday it was supposed to happen. Yesterday I got sick. I had to leave from the office. और क्लास 10th का होगा आई थिंक फ्राइडे को है, नहीं सैटरडे को है. दिस सैटरडे वी आर डूइंग क्लास 10th. हेलो, गुड इवनिंग, है ना? नाइस. चंद्रकला, हेलो. हरिहरन हैज डन. BTS फॉरएवर हैज डन. राइट एवरीबॉडी, हु ऑल हैव रजिस्टर्ड फॉर ANTHE? जल्दी बताओ. यस, गुड इवनिंग. हेलो रॉबिन. Nice. Very good, very good. See, बच्चों देखो, you haven't know. ANTHE, I'm not saying you join coaching करना है बाद में तुमको. I'm saying you give ANTHE because there are very few exams which give you an opportunity to basically compete on the all India level. ऐसे बहुत कम एग्जाम्स हैं, अच्छे एग्जाम्स बहुत कम है. दिस इज एन एग्जाम, इट्स एन अपॉर्चुनिटी विच इज फ्री. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, है ना, ये आपको ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे टेस्ट करने का मौका देगा. देखो, होना ना होना बात की बात है. सर मेरी तैयारी पूरी नहीं है, इट्स ओके, कोई बात नहीं, एग्जाम तो दो. राइट, व्हेनेवर यू गिव एन एग्जाम यू आर इन दैट जोन टू चैलेंज न्यू क्वेश्चंस. कुछ नहीं होगा तो कम से कम यू विल रियलाइज कि यार विद ऑल माई ब्रॉड प्रिपरेशन, विद ऑल माई रेगुलर एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन, कितने क्वेश्चन मेरे से हो रहे हैं. राइट, व्हाट स्टेज एम आई इन, सो दैट इन फ्यूचर यू कुड टेक गुड डिसीजंस. है ना, कुछ नहीं है, रजिस्टर कर दो, जरूरी है, अच्छा है ना. घर पे बैठे बैठे एग्जाम देना है, फ्री है. दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज अ लिंक गिवन टू यू इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. क्लिक ऑन दैट एंड रजिस्टर. ठीक है, और ये 3 दिन पहले तक होता है. whichever date you want to choose for your examinations, only 3 days before that the registrations will close. अगर आपको 7th डेट चाहिए, बेसिकली आज लास्ट डेट है टू रजिस्टर फॉर दैट. अगर आपको 8th डेट चाहिए तो कल लास्ट डेट होगी. राइट, सो सिमिलरली ओनली 3 days बिफोर फॉर द ऑनलाइन एग्जाम. सो प्लीज रजिस्टर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, है ना. इफ यू फेल इन ANTHE दुर्गा, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. इफ यू फेल इन ANTHE, nothing bad will happen to you. राइट, यू विल जस्ट गेट मोर लर्निंग व्हाट टू वर्क ऑन. कोई वैसा नहीं होगा दिक्कत, है ना. ठीक है, where we can get that information? Prutha, bacha, on our channel na, on our 9-10 channel, if you see all the videos wala section, the recorded videos, we have answered all the questions. If you want to change the stream, if you want to change the type of exam you want to give, if you want to change your date, your details, your exam center, exam city, how many attempts you can give, where you will find mock papers, where to find sample papers, ये सारे वीडियोस में बना के डाले हुए हैं, so that you guys watch. उन पे लेकिन बहुत लोगों ने देखा नहीं है. प्लीज वॉच. आपको कोई भी डाउट है ना, उन सारे वीडियोस में उसके आंसर हैं, है ना. यस, वेरी गुड, नाइस. सो एवरीबॉडी, विद दिस इन माइंड, क्या बोलते हो, आज के सेशन में मेंटी करेंगे एंड विल सॉल्व गुड प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ ANTHE. बिफोर दैट यू प्रेस द लाइक बटन, मेंटी लॉग इन कर लो. ठीक है एवरीबॉडी, द मेंटी कोड इज 82667433. व्हाट इज द कोड? आई जस्ट राइट इट ओवर हियर. Code is 82667443. This is the Menti code. कैसे लॉगिन करना है? Go to www.menti.com. एक वेबसाइट है, उस पर लॉगिन कर लो, है ना. फिर क्या होगा, इट विल आस्क यू फॉर अ कोड, और कोड ये रखा 82667443. इससे क्या होगा, यू कैन ज्वाइन दिस क्विज लाइव, और फिर हम लोग लाइव सॉल्व करेंगे, लाइव आंसर देंगे. विल हैव लीडर बोर्ड्स, राइट, है ना. ऐप से कहा था ऑफलाइन इशू, ऑनलाइन. देखो ऑफलाइन में क्या है ना, रीच कम होता है. See, we have taken sessions in BTC centers also. चंद बच्चे होते हैं, and right now we have opportunity to target many students, है ना? इसीलिए ऑनलाइन कभी कभी अच्छा है, ऑफलाइन कभी कभी अच्छा है. Don't worry. Done. Very good. Nice. Everybody, come on, join फटाफट. Right? देखो भाई, एंथे सिर्फ टेस्ट नहीं, सक्सेस की शुरुआत है. गाना बड़ा अच्छा लगा मेरे को. I love the song and especially the rap in between, है ना? इसमें कुछ नहीं है. 100% scholarship is something you can get if you join for coaching, है ना? Second, you have a chance to win the trip for National Science Expedition. All India में, all the museums, planetariums, all these important planetariums में जाएंगे. एक बहुत 5 दिन का अच्छा ट्रिप है ये. It's a very nice thing. मतलब मजेदार है. Cash rewards are there, but this is the most important thing, the All India rank. Questions अच्छे मिलेंगे, that I can guarantee you. फालतू क्वेश्चन नहीं होंगे, all the good questions will come, है ना? That's why give this, very important, and register for free. 3 दिन पहले it will close. Whatever date you want to choose, it will close 3 days before that registration. So today is the last date for 7th day. 7th अक्टूबर को अगर आपको एग्जाम चाहिए तो आज लास्ट डेट है उसका रजिस्टर करने का, तो प्लीज रजिस्टर कर दो, लिंक दिया हुआ है नीचे, ठीक है? अब ये बताओ, चालू करें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से. एवरीबॉडी press the like button and we are going to start with important questions. Yes, only 17 players are there. अरे क्या हो गया तुम लोग को? See, I can see we have 29. बच्चे डर गए क्या अंते से? Yes. Issue the code is 82667443. तुमको पता है कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम का प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है? Lot of kids they get scared with this word. अरे यार सर भारी क्वेश्चन होंगे, I am not prepared, मेरे को नहीं करना है, डर लगेगा. जो लोग आज यहाँ पर हैं, जो लोग सीरियसली एंथे दे रहे हैं, वन थिंग आई कैन एश्योर यू, एटलीस्ट यू आर नॉट स्कैर्ड. तुम डर नहीं रहे हो, विच इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स क्रैकिंग द कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम. जो लोग डर जाते हैं ना, उनसे नहीं हो पाएगा. जो लोग नहीं डरते, कम से कम एटलीस्ट यू आर 1 स्टेप अहेड. आज के सेशन में कम बच्चे होने का रीजन ये भी है, बहुत लोगों को डर लगता है सर भारी क्वेश्चन होते हैं, मेरे से नहीं होते. ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो कभी नहीं होंगे, है ना? यस, कम ऑन. बिल्कुल सानू, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. एक्साइटेड ऑल्सो ना? वेरी गुड आस्था. कौन सा क्लास है? डोयला, दिस इज क्लास 9th and today we'll be doing good ANTHE questions on Menti. Yes, Jyoti, go to menti.com and put down this code. Where is the code? The code is here. It will always be here, right? Yes. Come on everybody, we have 22 players. I'll wait for another 2 minutes. अच्छा नहीं, we have 34 on YouTube. Come on everybody, जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट. और जिन लोगों ने लॉगिन कर लिया है, लाइक करते चलना भाई. Like is very important. Waiting for maths and reasoning. Yes, Abhimanyu, yesterday we did reasoning for grade 6. For 9, 10 also we'll do reasoning. Next week आपके mock चालू हो जाएंगे. What is PYQ in title? तन्मय, PYQ is previous year questions of ANTHE. You can say previous year ANTHE Olympiad questions sort of a thing. Yes? Side. Okay. And आज तो खैर बहुत कम लोग हैं, तो I can see. We have a banana, unicorn, robot, truck, green dragon, oh, ghost, hat, nice. Join from another phone, nice Durga. 2 phones are best for this. कल स्कूल का एग्जाम है, स्पिनिंग किंग, all the best बच्चा. Donut, अरे वाराज is also here. Nice. Come on everybody. देखो भाई, question easy question भी है. We have few easy questions also. We have good moderate number of questions also. We have few difficult questions also. और difficult वाले सच में बहुत अच्छे question हैं. You will enjoy. Yes, thank you, Dara. I'm not able to. Sanu, why? You can. I know, Raj, you class 7. Rabbits. All right. We have 26 players. Come on, everybody. Touch 30 and we'll start. जल्दी करो. हाँ संजीव, बस चालू कर रहा हूँ मैं. I'm waiting for. क्योंकि YouTube पे I can see we have 38, but on Menti we have 24. Everybody. ANTHE, I'm telling you, देखो, I'm saying it's a free exam. रजिस्टर कर दो, भले ही तुम्हारी तैयारी नहीं है, even though you haven't prepared for it. Give the exam. कुछ नहीं होगा ना, कुछ नया सीखने मिलेगा. कुछ नहीं होगा, फेल हो जाओगे, कोई बात नहीं, कोई जज नहीं करने वाला. अरे तुम्हारे घर की बात है, तुमको ही पता है और किसी को नहीं पता, राइट? बट यू विल लर्न अ लॉट. अच्छे क्वेश्चन आते हैं इसमें, ठीक है? यस, बिल्कुल. थैंक यू स्पिनिंग किंग. फोड़ दो यार, आज मैं ये चाहता हूँ. इट्स ओके सारा, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. आई नो लॉट ऑफ यू हैव एग्जाम्स नाउअडेज. हाँ, चलो everybody, you are in Akash. Very good, Sham. Nice. Everybody, we are going to start in another 5 seconds. 5, 4. I have typed code. It's not showing. Is it? Why? 82667443. We have 30 players and now we are going to start. क्या बोलते हो? जल्दी बताओ, चालू करें? Flood the emojis फटाफट. In the chat I want to see the excitement. सर डर लग रहा है, कोई बात नहीं. देखो एक्साइटमेंट और डर दोनों एक साथ हो सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना. पहली बार जब whenever you guys do that पैराग्लाइडिंग, पैरासेलिंग, बनाना राइड, बम्पर राइड, कुछ भी करते हो, डर लगता है बट एक्साइटमेंट भी होता है ना. You can have that. Yes, come on. Yes, wait. I'm waiting. Come on everybody. कुछ नहीं है. Menti is very easy. Just join. जल्दी करो. बिल्कुल. Yes. All right. Let's begin with the first question. देखो बच्चों. First question is the time period of revolution of any planet about the sun is proportional to the semi-major axis of its elliptical orbit. अब तुम बोलोगे सर ये तो पढ़ाई नहीं हमने. You are right. I haven't taught this to you, but I am supposed to make a video on this. इस पे I have promised you a video. Kepler law पे I have to make a video. ठीक है? और इसीलिए गर्मी हो रही है यार, इसको निकालते हैं जरा. इसीलिए today this question is there for ANTHE. मैं तुमको फटाफट बताऊंगा Kepler laws क्या होते हैं. ठीक है? But तुक्का मारना है, अगर नहीं पता है तो मार सकते हो. It's okay. Nice यार, very good. आप 10th में फ्री पढ़ रहे हो. This is good. Sir, you were taking this yesterday. Asim, I was supposed to take class 10 yesterday, but yesterday I fell sick. I had to run home. Sorry, run home means I had to drive home. Oof. First of all, I want to ask, how many of you know Kepler's laws? कितने लोग को Kepler law के बारे में पता है? See, ICSE students would know about it. CBSE won't know about it क्योंकि आपके सिलेबस में हट चुका है, बहुत पहले हुआ करता था. Yes, come on. Oh, tukka, not me. No idea. You don't know. It's completely objective. W. Oh, nobody knows about Kepler's law. बच्चों सुनो. देखो. Kepler was a very famous, I would say, planetary observer. He discovered very nice things. Kepler gave 3 laws. ठीक है? अब 3 law पता है क्या थे? Listen to me. देखो. 3 laws of Kepler, they are very easy. पहले ये बताओ. We always say कि sun is at the center. This is called as the heliocentric model. Sun is at the center and earth is moving around the sun. कितने लोगों को पता है ये बात कि सर sun यहाँ पर होता है. Wait, let me change the color ना. कितने लोगों को पता है ये बात कि सर sun जो है, sun is at the center and earth is going around sun in a circle. हम यही पढ़ते हैं ना हमेशा. Tell me, do you know this? We have always studied like this. Yes. अनंत जियोसेंट्रिक मतलब होता था प्रीवियसली लोगों को लगता था कि अर्थ सेंटर में है और सब आसपास घूमते हैं. दैट वाज जियोसेंट्रिक मॉडल. दिस इज हीलियोसेंट्रिक मॉडल, है ना. यस, गुड रणवीर. बट यू नो व्हाट द रियलिटी इज? द पाथ ऑफ अर्थ इज नॉट एग्जैक्टली सर्कुलर. It is elliptical. It is elliptical like this, where sun is at any focus. It's not just about Earth. The path of any planet, any heavenly body. Sun कहाँ पर है? Focus क्या होता है इसका? Ellipse में ना 2 focus होते हैं. In ellipse there are 2 focuses. This is one focus and this is one focus. And the longer axis is called as major axis. इसको बोलते हैं हम मेजर एक्सिस, है ना. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज मेजर एक्सिस एंड दिस स्मॉल वाला इज कॉल्ड एज माइनर एक्सिस, राइट. फर्स्ट लॉ बोलता है कि सन विल बी एट आइदर ऑफ द फोकस. लेट्स से दिस इज F1, दिस इज F2. किसी के लिए F1 पे हो सकता है, किसी के लिए F2 पे हो सकता है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट लॉ. ठीक है. फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ केपलर सेज दैट द path, the orbit of planets around sun is elliptical with sun at any one particular focus on the major axis. ठीक, फर्स्ट लॉ हो गया. फर्स्ट लॉ क्लियर है? जल्दी बताओ. elliptical, गुलाब माय फ्रेंड, elliptical is this is your circle. Almost गंदा बनाया मैंने, but this is your circle. Elliptical is more like अंडा. It's more like this. So you can say this length is short and this length is long. This is called as ellipse. Yes. Anant, I have to record a short समथिंग लाइक दिस. नोबेल प्राइज अभी फिजिक्स में मिला है, उस पर बात करेंगे. एज ऑफ यूनिवर्स के ऊपर बात होगी, टाइम पीरियड यूनिवर्स की बात होगी. यस, क्लियर, ठीक है, ऑल राइट. नाउ लिसन टू मी, लिसन. सो फर्स्ट लॉ इज क्लियर. सेकेंड लॉ पता है क्या बोलता है? सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ केपलर, इट सेज कि भाई व्हेन let's say your yes, अब मानो that your sun is here on F1, ठीक है? Your sun is here, your planet is going like this, right? In equal intervals of time. एक बात बताओ, द एरिया स्वेप्ट बाय द प्लैनेट, ये प्लैनेट यहां से यहां जाने में कितना एरिया कवर करेगा सर? दिस मच एरिया. व्हेन दिस प्लैनेट गोज फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट, इट विल कवर हाउ मच एरिया सर? दिस मच एरिया. अगर ये इस पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट जाएगा तो हाउ मच एरिया विल इट कवर? दिस मच एरिया, है ना? दिस इज कॉल्ड एज स्वीपिंग द एरिया. तो प्लैनेट कितना एरिया स्वीप करेगा, है ना, इन सम टाइम पीरियड. लेट्स से दिस टाइम पीरियड इज T1, दिस इज T2, दिस इज T3. सेकेंड लॉ बोलता है कि इन इक्वल टाइम पीरियड्स द एरिया स्वेप्ट बाय द प्लैनेट विल बी इक्वल. यानी कि अगर T1 इज इक्वल टू T2 इज इक्वल टू T3 हो जाए, then this area is equal to this area is equal to this area. This is the second law. Yes, है ना? Come on, clear हो रही है बात? तुमको पता है all these things were very important when people started to notice कि यार ये planet ना कम दूरी travel किया, ये दूर है हमसे, ये पास है हमारे, जुपिटर को इतने टाइम बाद यहाँ पर आना चाहिए. So all these things were very helpful, right? है ना? अगर equal time we say, in equal time a planet will cover equal areas. This is the second law. ठीक है? यस रितिका, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, आई एम सेइंग इन इंग्लिश ओनली, है ना? ठीक है तुषार, आई एम सेइंग दैट इन T1, T2, T3 a planet covers this area and this area. ठीक है, फाइन. लेट्स से all these time periods become equal, then what will happen? The area will also be equal. So what is the second law? Second law says if a planet, right, if a planet sweeps area, so in equal time periods a planet will sweep equal areas with the sun. ठीक है, ये सारे एरियाज इक्वल होंगे. सेकेंड लॉ ठीक है ना? राइट. दिस वाज अ वेरी नाइस थिंग. बहुत काम आई ये चीज. दिस थिंग हेल्प्ड अ लॉट. ओ यस सानू, इट विल कंटेन लॉट ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑन मोशन. ठीक है एवरीबॉडी, सेकेंड लॉ इज फाइन. अब सुनो, थर्ड लॉ इज फ्रॉम विच द क्वेश्चन हैज कम. सर दिस इज द पाथ, राइट, दिस इज द एलिप्टिकल पाथ. ठीक है यार, मेरे से अच्छा क्यों नहीं बनता? माई ड्रॉइंग इज सो बैड. चलो ये ठीक है, दिस इज स्टिल बेटर, राइट. आई टोल्ड यू दिस इज द मेजर एक्सिस, द लॉन्ग वाला इज द मेजर एक्सिस, है ना? ठीक है. हाफ ऑफ दिस मेजर एक्सिस मतलब व्हाट डू यू मीन सर? आई मीन दिस लेंथ, let's say is r. R is called as radius of major axis, or you can say semi major axis. ठीक है, you can say radius बोल दो, या फिर पता है इसको ये बोल सकते हो, you can say this is the length of semi major axis, length of semi major axis. भाई total is major axis, half is semi major axis, so r is the length of semi major axis and t is the time period to complete one revolution, है ना? time period of a body to complete one revolution is t. so हम बोलते हैं कि t square is proportional to r cube. the time period of revolution of any planet about the sun, एक प्लैनेट कितना टाइम लेता है टू कवर वन रिवॉल्यूशन अराउंड द सन, है ना? द टाइम पीरियड टू कवर वन रिवॉल्यूशन अराउंड द सन इज कॉल्ड एज टी. इट इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द सेमी मेजर एक्सिस ऑफ इट्स एलिप्टिकल ऑर्बिट. कितना? टी स्क्वायर इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू आर क्यूब. the time period of a planet is proportional to cube of the r, which is, what is r? R is this. This is your r. Okay, fine. So you can say t is proportional to r to the power of 3 by 2. And that is why option C is the right answer. Yes. Hello, Anant. First law, the first law says a planet goes in elliptical path and sun is at either of the focus. Sun is either at focus 1 or focus 2. This is their first law. Clear? ठीक है? Yes. Simple. See, Kepler law pe I will give you a separate video also. But I just explained this to you कि maybe one question may come on Kepler's law in ANTHE, and that's why I want to prepare all of you guys. ठीक है? ये basic 3 laws हैं और इससे मुश्किल question नहीं आएगा. Question will not be difficult than this. Okay? So you guys are more than capable to do it. ठीक है? Fine. Nitika, this is Gravitation's chapter basically. Alright, everybody, chalo, come on. Question number 2. Are you ready? Yes. Question number 2 on your screen. Acha, Aarti, third law was beta. If this is your sun, this is the length of your semi-major axis, this is r. The time period, time taken by the planet to cover this one revolution, t square is proportional to r cube. So t is proportional to r to the power of 3 by 2. है ना? This is third law. ठीक है? ये होता है. चलो, come on. Question number 2 on your screen. Everybody. It's okay. पहला वाला थोड़ा सा out of syllabus था, but I explained it to you properly. Yeah? चलो, come on. An object of mass 200 grams is sliding down on a rough inclined plane with a constant speed of 12 meter per second. The net force on the object is how much? Come on, yeah. This is very easy question. Yes. Everyone has voted. Nice. Good. Constant speed of 12 meter per second. Then I say 0. Cube magic says 0. Very good. Arey, Newton's first law. If there is no net external force, if net external force is 0, what will happen? The body will maintain its state either of rest or of constant velocity. Velocity is constant, matlab net force is 0. As simple as that. कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं है. 0 is the correct answer. Newton's first law. चलो, question number 3. F equals to mv. No, Nitika. F equals mass into acceleration. If velocity is constant, acceleration is 0, means force is 0. Very simple. है ना? Easy peasy. Very good. है ना? हाँ, it's okay, it's okay. Not a problem, Nitika. Not a problem, बच्चा. See, every question will teach you something new. Relax. Come on. Which of the following physical quantity cannot be negative? Hey, come on. Very easy question. Cannot be negative. Speed, velocity, displacement, acceleration. There is friction? Saroja, friction is... No. Class 9 we don't have friction, no. Motion, force and laws of motion. That's it. And sound also, I think. But we have force and laws of motion and motion. That's it. Come on. Speed. Very good. Answer on fingertips. Very nice here. Speed is what quantity? Sir, scalar quantity. Right? A scalar quantity cannot be negative. Right? True. Y into displacement cannot be negative. See, in quantities, positive and negative, it means direction. By velocity mein, you can say, sir, right is positive, left is negative. So if I tell you minus 2 meter per second, what do you say? Minus is towards left. Fine. Displacement mein, you will say, sir, positive is to the right, plus displacement, minus means to the left. Acceleration mein, sir, plus means to the right, minus means to the left. Speed is a scalar quantity. If it is to the right, you will say, sir, 2 meter per second. If it is to the left, you will say 2 meter per second. तो speed को तो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, scalar quantity है. Plus minus का concept ही नहीं है ना? That's why. Correct answer is speed. Yes. Is there friction? No. Saroj, there was no friction. If friction is there, no question will tell you the surface is rough. Otherwise, you have to assume it's a smooth surface, no friction. है ना? Yes, you're right. माइनर फैक्ट्स क्वेश्चन में क्वेश्चन फॉरवर्ड किया था. ओके, लास्ट वाले क्या? ओके सॉरी, लास्ट वाले में आई विल चेक द कमेंट्स, डोंट वरी. आई कुडंट चेक इट, थोड़ा तबीयत ऊपर नीचे हो गई, बट डोंट वरी. इफ यू कैन गिव मी इन दिस वीडियोस कमेंट्स, आई विल रिप्लाई बैक टू यू, अदरवाइज आई लुक एट द प्रीवियस वन. अच्छा रहेगा यू गिव दिस क्वेश्चन टू मी इन दिस कमेंट्स, है ना? ठीक है, चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. एवरीबॉडी आ जाओ भाई. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है? द वेरिएशन ऑफ स्पीड ऑफ अ लिफ्ट which is going up is shown. बच्चों this is a very good question. ये क्लास 11th वाले बच्चों का क्वेश्चन है in a way, but this is your previous year ANTHE question. Total mass of lift and passenger is 2500 kg. If F is the force by the rope, then slightly above than your level, but you can do it. Maybe you make a mistake. अभी शायद तुम गलती कर दो, है ना? Right now, there is a possibility that you might get wrong answer. But when I explain it to you, you will get the right answer. So relax. It's okay if you make a mistake because this question is going to teach you a lot of things. Acha, not sign convention according to flash. It's okay. If the lift questions hai, yes. Mayura says 2. Nice. Jasim says 2. Tanmay says A. Rishu says 3. Ooh, nice. I mean, I'm really happy. 12 people gave the answer as maximum. See, people who gave answer as option 2, you found the right answer, but you misjudged the option. Second option बोल रहा है minimum value of F is 50 kilonewton, and third is the right answer. अब now the question is, sir क्यों? पहले ये बताओ कितने लोगों ने ये किया? Everybody listen to me very carefully. How many of you did this thing? Let me tell you what. Sir, हाँ. Sir, this is 0 to 2. In 0 to 2 it goes like 20 meter per second. So acceleration becomes slope, that is 20 by 2 means it is 10 meter per second square, है ना? And for this acceleration कितना है? Sir, acceleration is 10 minus 6 is 4, 20 by 4 यानी कि -5 meter per second square. So यार 10 वाला ज़्यादा है. If I want to find maximum value of acceleration, it is 10 only. ठीक है, fine. Now if this is 10, so can you say कि sir mass is 2500, acceleration is 10 meter per second square, so force should be mass into acceleration. And that means 2500 kg multiplied by 10 is equal to 25,000 Newton or 25 kilo Newton. कितने लोगों ने ये आंसर निकाला? जल्दी बताओ. Everybody. You got confused. How many of you did it like this? Sir, acceleration is given to you in the graph. It is 10 and mass is given to you. Multiply mass and acceleration, you will get this answer. जल्दी बताओ. Me. Right? लकी गेमिंग बच्चा, एक्सेलरेशन कैसे निकाला? एक्सेलरेशन क्या होता है? स्लोप मतलब सर ये कितना चेंज हुआ है? स्लोप मींस दिस चेंज इज हाउ मच? सर ये तो 20 है, डिवाइडेड बाय दिस चेंज इज हाउ मच? ये 2 है, तो 20 by 2 है ना? स्लोप निकाला मैंने, कुछ नहीं किया. फाइन, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज यार 25 किलो न्यूटन आ रहा है, बट दिस इज नॉट द राइट आंसर, राइट? बिकॉज ऑफ हरी. Zero friction cube magics, it's a hypothetical thing, but almost zero we can, but not complete zero, है ना? Now listen to me. पूछे क्या है? Force by the rope. Now you tell me. F equals ma के अंदर what is F? What is F? Anybody? And try to give the right answer. If you give this one, no, your concepts are fine. In F equals ma, what is F? Force. Net force. Very good. It is the net force. Net force मतलब when rope is pulling the lift, lift के ऊपर कौन कौन से force लग रहे हैं? You tell me that. How many forces are acting on the lift? भाई ये रही तुम्हारी lift, है ना? Lift के अंदर है बंदा. There is a man inside the lift. The mass of lift is कितना? Sir, 2500 kg. You tell me what all forces are acting on the lift. कौन कौन से? आज पोल नहीं आया, आज मेंटी है ना, इसीलिए पोल नहीं आया. टेंशन फोर्स ओके, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स वेरी गुड. भाई एक बात बताओ, यू टेल मी समथिंग, देयर विल बी mg डाउनवर्ड है ना, gravity will attract everything down, that is one force, and second force is your rope is pulling this lift up, so you will say this is the force applied by the rope, or more specifically in class 11th we call it the tension force. अभी class 9th में I will tell you as only force. ठीक है, ये है force by the rope जो इसको ऊपर खींच रहा है. नीचे कौन सी फोर्स लग रही है सर? ग्रेविटी. ओवरऑल दिस लिफ्ट इज गोइंग वेयर? इसका एक्सेलरेशन कितना है सर? 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर ऊपर की तरफ. सर कैसे पता? हाउ डू आई नो दैट? हाउ डू वी नो दैट? कम ऑन, कैसे पता सर? ये रहा 10, दिस इज 10 है ना, राइट? सो दिस इज योर 10. अच्छा सर, फोर्स बाय द रोप इज F upwards, gravity is applying mg downwards, overall acceleration is 10 upwards, net force is equal to mass into acceleration. अब तुम ये बताओ, if acceleration is 10 upwards, net force will be up or down? Come on, yes. हाँ, yes Robin, you're right. Positive, negative depends on you, whatever you want to take. But once you choose something, stick to it. Up or down? Up. Very good. Sir, overall acceleration ऊपर की तरफ है, right? Overall acceleration is upwards, means upward force is stronger. So you will say F minus of mg is equal to what? This thing is your, sir, F net. F minus mg is your net force. F net is equal to mass into acceleration. So F minus of mg is equal to ma. F is equal to mg plus ma is equal to mg plus a. Now just solve it. M कितना है सर? 2500. G कितना है? 10 plus a कितना है? 10. What do you get? 2500 into 20 कितना आ गया सर? 50,000, यानी कि 50 किलो जूल्स. Yes, getting my point. F equals ma के अंदर F is the net force. लिफ्ट के ऊपर कितने फोर्स हैं सर? 2 forces. One is gravity downwards, one is the tension or the rope का force upwards, right? So force is, the rope is pulling upwards, gravity pulling downwards, but the lift is going upwards with how much? 10 meter per second square. So net force will be rope minus gravity, है ना? This is your net force. And net force equals mass into acceleration. Oh, so F minus mg is equal to ma. Simple. Got it? तुमको पता है? This is class 11. You won't realize you just did free body diagram. तुमने मजाक में ना free body diagram बना लिया इसका. This is the concept we teach in class 11th. अब बताओ, class 11 भारी है? अरे नहीं है यार. Whatever you have learned, no. Almost same thing will come in class 11. ये तुमने class 11 का क्वेश्चन कर लिया है. Understand it, right? Amit, बच्चा, I'm saying net force is equal to ma ना. F net is equal to mass into acceleration. अब net force मतलब overall force लगने के बाद जो resultant बचेगा, है ना? सारे force कितने हैं सर? एक तो mg है और एक F है, but acceleration is upwards. कितना सर? 10. यानी कि F माइनस एम जी इज इक्वल टू एम ए. सिंपल सी बात है ना? यस, पूरी 11th पढ़ा है. वेरी गुड, सो इजी है ना एवरीबॉडी? फीलिंग गुड? अच्छा लगा ये क्वेश्चन करके? भारी था? नहीं था. दिस वॉजंट डिफिकल्ट, इट वॉज अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन ओनली. बस क्या था सर? थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा था इसके अंदर, है ना? थोड़ा ट्रिकी था. एंड दिस इज अ फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम कॉन्सेप्ट. क्लास 11th के अंदर यू विल रियलाइज फोर्स एंड लॉज ऑफ मोशन में पहले यही पढ़ोगे तुम. टुडे यू हैव डन इट without zero knowledge of class 11th physics. That is good, no? That is, I call it. इससे आता है कॉन्फिडेंस. वाह, क्लास 9th में 11th का क्वेश्चन कर लिया हमने बैठे बैठे, है ना? वेरी नाइस. Oh, that was quite hard. अपेक्षा, I want to ask you in the comments, you tell me what was the experiment so that I want to make video on that. Okay? Nice, very good. चलो, बहुत सारा सॉल्व कर लिया हमने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 on your screen. Let's see. 5th क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है सर? 5 हॉरिजॉन्टल, अरे यार बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है एवरीबॉडी, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, क्लास 9th क्वेश्चन. 5 horizontal forces are applied on 5 kg block. The top view of block is shown over here. find the acceleration of the block. Come on, 1 2 3 4. Simple pendulum. Oh, okay, I'll do it. You tell me in the comment section exactly what was to find. Time period निकालना था. Yes, thank you Sanvi. नहीं यार, अरे never make anybody like God or something. It's okay. 1 meter per second square, 25. Magic says 25. Blaze says 1. Tushar says 1. And I think everyone has voted. Let's see. Good. If you just look at it, you have to find net force. You have to just find net force. In the right side, in this direction, how many forces are there? In this direction, how many forces are there? Sir, I can see 8 and I can see 15, right? But apart from that, so 3 and 20 are pointing that side. So in this side, I have 15 plus 8 means 23 Newton. Okay. And in that direction, how many forces are there? Sir, I can see 20 and 3. Acha, so in this direction, we have 23 Newtons. We have 23 Newton working opposite to each other. It will cancel out. So in this direction, net force is 0. In this direction, net force is 0. What about vertical direction? I mean, not vertical. I would say, what about this direction? Sir, 5 only. Only one force is there. How much? Sir, 5 Newtons. Matlab, acceleration will be here. Kitna? Force upon mass means 5 upon 5. That is 1 meter per second square. Which side? This side. Right? Yes. अगर अलग-अलग स्लाइड्स पे अलग फोर्स लगते साइड पर, हाँ, माइनर फैक्ट्स, अगर अलग-अलग साइड पर फोर्स लगते देन वी वुड हैव टू गो विद वेक्टर एडिशन. दिस विल कम. अगर एंगल पे फोर्स लगेगा ना, देन हाउ टू फाइंड इट, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वेक्टर एडिशन वाला कॉन्सेप्ट. दिस विल लर्न इन क्लास 11, बट राइट नाउ इफ यू सी एवरीथिंग इज 90 डिग्रीज, सो इट्स इजियर, है ना. डोंट वरी, फाइन. ठीक है, so that's why करेक्ट आंसर इज, सर ये और ये तो हो गए 0. क्या बचा? 5 न्यूटन. किस पे लग रहा है? 5 kg पे. एक्सेलरेशन इज 5 न्यूटन अपॉन 5, 1 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. इजी एकदम, है ना. ठीक है, चलो लीडर बोर्ड देख लें. आइंस्टाइन ऑन फर्स्ट पोजीशन. वी हैव अनंत फिजिक्स आइंस्टाइन ऑन फर्स्ट पोजीशन. अरे वाह. कार्ल गुस्ताव, ओह नाइस. Then we have Vineet on 3rd, Saloni on 4th, Astha on 5th, Raj class 7th on 6th, Shivani on 8th, 7th, Sakshi on 8th, Abhimanyu on 9th and Mannat on 10th. Wow, Raj, class 7th se tum phod rahe ho class 9. Very good, nice. All right. Nitika, last question was, see, all the horizontal forces, all these forces were cancelling out. Kyun? 23 and 23. Gone. 5 Newton acting on 5 kg block. Acceleration will be how much? Sir, force upon net force upon mass, 5 upon 5, 1 meter per second square, है ना. चलो, come on, 6th question. Nice enough. It's okay then, man, not a problem. We have 10 more questions. Come on. Aarti, bacha, go to www.menti.com. It's a website, right? If you go to this website, it will ask you for a code. है ना? The code is 82667443. Yes. Don't worry, अरे, you will. I'm telling you, बच्चों. First thing is get rid of your fear. If you are not scared of exam, you are one step ahead from everybody else. अगर डर खत्म हो गया, तुमने वो डायलॉग नहीं सुना? अरे वो कौन सा डायलॉग था यार, दंगल का? There was a very nice dialogue in Dangal. How many of you watched Dangal movie? There was a very nice dialogue. Yeah? डर से तो जीत गई. Remember? Remember that dialogue? है ना? When the baby Geeta was going for the first time for the fight, right? She chose the toughest opponent. याद है ना? So in that this dialogue was there. Okay, आधी लड़ाई तो जीत गए, डर से तो जीत गए. Yes, very good Anand, that's true. Don't worry Nitika, everything is easy बच्चों. Get rid of your fear first of all. Whatever comes, you can do it. Even if you don't score well, right? You will learn something new. That's very important. See, ultimate क्या है? Sir, class 9 final exam, class 10 final exam, Olympiads, right? All these are your future goals. JEE निकालना है, NEET निकालना है, engineer बनना है, doctor बनना है, scientist बनना है, ISRO में जाना है, right? NASA में जाना है, whatever. That is your ultimate goal. All these are small milestones. आराम से करो, गलती होगा, ठोकर खाओगे, गिरोगे, चोट खाओगे, everything is good. You will learn something new. That's very important. ठीक है, चलो. Question number 6 on your screen. नहीं, Ritika, don't worry. She will be there with you. But do you know you have give your 100%? If you give your 100%, that's a very nice thing. Nobody will say anything to you. Relax. चलो. This is slightly lengthy question. I'm not saying very tough, but slightly lengthy. You understand the question first and you start solving. If you cannot, I will solve it for you, but try. ये question ऐसा है, class 9th students, you can do it. Slightly lengthy है. 5 forces of 10 Newton each is applied on a 10 kg block placed on smooth surface. Distance covered in 8 seconds if one force is removed after every 1 second is. Yes. It's okay, Ritika, don't worry. See, tough questions, I'm here for you. Relax. But you first of all try. Are you able to understand the question? पहले ये बताओ, how many of you are able to understand the question? And if you are able to understand, you keep solving. ठीक है? No need to reply me in the chat. Come on. Leo, class 10th का, yesterday it was supposed to happen. Yesterday I got sick. So it will happen on Saturday. Saturday को हम लोग आपका session लेंगे class 10th का. Relax. Yes. I'm not understanding. It's okay. Not a problem. Not. कोई बात नहीं. Not at all. Not a problem. बच्चों, if this question you are not able to understand, it's not a problem. First of all, think whatever you can. Go crazy with your thought process. I will teach you. Don't worry. And when I teach this to you, you will realize कि question impossible नहीं था. This was not out of syllabus. It is from your syllabus only. Slightly twisted. Yes. Thank you, long break. Guess. Okay. Nice. Robin understanding, huh? Okay. Grishu says 50. I have given you enough time. And I am hoping that you are solving it in your pen and notebook. कोई हवा में तो नहीं कर रहा ना? I hope you have your pen and notebook, है ना? मजाक नहीं करना. Yes. How many of these questions will come in? Shivang, all these are previous year questions. I'm not guaranteeing that how many of these questions will come in ANTHE, but all these are previous year questions. So my job is to make sure that your preparation is good enough for ANTHE. You don't feel scared. People who are watching these ANTHE sessions know at least their preparation is good only. Much better than बहुत सारे लोग जिन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा, है ना? Yes. It's okay, Nitika. Don't worry. Nice. Very good, Shubham. Approach is correct. Shreya, see, 5 10 Newton forces are acting on a 10 kg block, right? And after every 1 second, one force is getting removed. Yes? Let's see, time is up. Hey, I want to ask you something. 16 people who got the right answer. कितने लोगों ने solve किया, कितने लोग का तुक्का था? How many of you solved it? How many of you guessed it? Come on. Yes, Apeksha. How many of you solved it? How many of you guessed it? Tukka, me. Mayura solved it. Tukka mara, me. Guessed. Tukka, me. Nice. Tukka hi powerful hai. Guessed. Okay, listen to me now. Listen to me. See, everybody. It's a nice question. है ना? Let me tell you. First of all, you visualize the question. भाई question पता क्या बोल रहा है? भाई question says this block is of 10 kg. Okay, 10 kg. 5 forces of 10 Newton each. मतलब सर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 5 forces of 10 Newton each are acting on a 10 kg block which is placed on a smooth surface. Okay, sir. Smooth surface, fine. Distance covered in 8 seconds if one force is removed after every 1 second. So you can say, okay, sir, this is, let's say, t equals 0, t equals 1 second. 1 second तक जाने में क्या हुआ? After 1 second, when this block reaches here, this is your block, हाँ? ठीक है? This is your block of 10 kg. अभी ये टोटल फोर्स कितना है सर? दिस वाज 50 न्यूटन. नाउ द फोर्स बिकम्स 40 न्यूटन्स. आफ्टर 1 second 5 forces were there, no? 10 10 10 10 10. Now one force is gone. How many forces sir? 10 10 10 10 4, मतलब 40 न्यूटन. 2 सेकेंड पे कितना फोर्स है सर? 30 न्यूटन. 3 सेकेंड पे कितना फोर्स है सर? 20 न्यूटन. 4 सेकेंड पे कितना फोर्स है सर? 10 न्यूटन. 5th सेकेंड पे कितना फोर्स है सर? 0 न्यूटन. मतलब आफ्टर 5th सेकेंड बॉडी हैज कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी. टेल मी, are you able to visualize this question? Hello little angel. Aarti? You have a good question, but without that assumption this question will not be complete, so we have to assume in the same direction. You're right Aarti, it's a very important question, but without that assumption this question will not make sense. So that is the only way to solve this question. Yes, everybody jaldi batao, can you visualize this question? सर स्टार्टिंग में इट वॉज 50 न्यूटन. आफ्टर 1 सेकेंड इट वॉज सर इट वॉज ओनली 40 न्यूटन. आफ्टर 1 more second इट वॉज 30 न्यूटन. आफ्टर 1 more second इट वॉज 20 न्यूटन. गेटिंग द पिक्चर? यस, काइंड ऑफ, है ना भवनेश? सॉरी भवेश, दिस इज एनर्जी मास इक्विवेलेंस इक्वेशन, अभी नहीं जाएंगे उस पर. हाँ नाइस, हाँ वेरी गुड. डिस्टेंस ऐड होगा 4 पॉइंट से. हाँ यस यू आर राइट, सब में ऐड होगा डिस्टेंस. करेक्ट? Yes, it's okay Sanu, you can ask. Able to understand the question? Now let's make this kind of a chart and this will help you nicely. पहले 0 कितना फोर्स है सर? 50 न्यूटन. अरे रुको, फोर्स छोड़ो. If force is 50 on a 10 kg block, acceleration is how much? 0 से from 0 to 1 second, acceleration is how much sir? 5 meter per second square. Is this true? jaldi batao. Yes, data is less. Very good, है ना? Now listen to me. 1 to 2 second acceleration is कितना sir? 4 meter per second square. Why? Because force is 40 newtons, mass is 10. यहां पर फोर्स इज 50 न्यूटन, मास इज 10. 2 सेकेंड टू 3 सेकेंड एक्सेलरेशन इज 3 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. 3 to 2 सेकेंड कितना है सर? 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. 2 से 1 तक कितना है? 1 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. 1 के बाद सॉरी 1 2 3, दिस इज नॉट 2 एक्चुअली. वेट, दिस इज 4 एंड दिस इज 5, राइट? 5th सेकेंड के बाद कितना है? एक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू 0, मतलब कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी. इज दिस क्लियर? जल्दी बताओ. केसेस? यस, यू कैन एक्चुअली. जल्दी बताओ. 0 to 1 second acceleration is 5. 1 to 2 second acceleration is 4. 2 to 3 second acceleration is 3. 3 to 4 second acceleration is 2. 4 to 5 second acceleration is 1. And 5 onwards acceleration is 0. Why? All the forces are gone. Velocity will be constant. Yes. अब simple equation of motion. Everybody, I'm solving it. Just keep noting down and you also keep solving. ठीक है? फटाफट देखो भाई. स्टार्टिंग में u इक्वल 0 है. ठीक है? u इक्वल 0 है. बहुत बढ़िया सर. यस यू आर राइट. हमने क्या निकाला सर? v इक्वल u प्लस 80. क्या लगा रहे हो तुम? v इक्वल u प्लस 80. This is one equation you will apply. Second will be s equals ut plus half at square. These are the two equations you are going to apply. ठीक है? पहले लगानी है इक्वेशन v equals u plus 80. Sir, v is equal to u 0 plus 80. You tell me. T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1. In all these cases, time तो 1 second ही है ना? Time तो 1 second ही है. तो v इक्वल्स u प्लस 80. a कितना है सर? a इज 5 इंटू टी इज 1. तो v हो गया 5. ठीक है? v हो गया कितना सर? 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. डिस्टेंस का वर्ड कितना हो गया? S is equal to ut means 0 plus half into 5 into t square. कितना आया सर 5/2 मतलब 2.5 मीटर्स. एवरीबॉडी क्लियर है? यस क्लियर है? कुछ नहीं है, वेरी इजी. Every time you have to apply two equations, v equals u plus at and s equals ut plus half at square. क्या मिला हमको सर? आफ्टर द फर्स्ट सेकेंड 0 से 1 के बाद वेलोसिटी हो जाएगी 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. वेलोसिटी विल बी 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड एंड डिस्टेंस कवर्ड विल बी 2.5 मीटर्स. यस है ना? यस आरती. स्मूथ ऑलवेज मीन्स फ्रिक्शनलेस, राइट? नाउ लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स दिस नेक्स्ट वाला. ओके सर, सो this velocity 5 will become initial velocity for the second one. यहां पर कितना हो जाएगा सर? u will become 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो इसका मतलब सर v is equal to 5 v is equal to u plus 80 ना. 5 plus 4 means 9 मीटर पर सेकेंड. एंड s is equal to सर s is equal to u कितना है सर? 5 into 1 plus हाफ इंटू 4 इंटू टी स्क्वेयर. मतलब कितना आ गया सर? 5 प्लस 4 कितना 2 7 हो गया भाई, राइट? 7 मीटर्स. ओके, सेकेंड वाले में वेलोसिटी बिकम्स कितना? फाइनली 9. यहां पर वेलोसिटी विल बिकम 9 मीटर पर सेकेंड. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड कितना है सर? 7 मीटर्स. क्लियर है? ये सुपर क्लियर ना? वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे. अब बस स्पीड से करेंगे. शैल आई डू इट क्विकली नाउ? जल्दी करूंगा मैं, ठीक है? अच्छा सर u हो गया 9, सो v इज इक्वल टू 9 प्लस 83 यानी कि 9 10 11 12 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ठीक है, फाइन. एंड s इज इक्वल टू ut 9 प्लस हाफ इंटू 3 9 प्लस 1.5 10.5 मीटर्स हो गया. ठीक है जी, बहुत अच्छे. नेक्स्ट कम्स here u becomes कितना? 12 है ना? it becomes 12. तो यानी कि v is equal to 12 plus 82 यानी कि 14 मीटर पर सेकेंड. बहुत अच्छे. your s becomes how much? s equals ut 12 plus half into 2 half 80 square यानी कि 13 मीटर्स. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट, यहां पर आपका 4 के बाद वेलोसिटी हो गई है 14. नेक्स्ट वाले के लिए कितना है सर? 14 v इज इक्वल टू u 14 प्लस 80 a कितना है? 1 15 मीटर पर सेकेंड. बहुत अच्छे. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड कितना है सर? s इक्वल्स ut मतलब 14 प्लस हाफ इंटू 1 इंटू 1 स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 0.5 14.5. ठीक है. फिफ्थ सेकेंड के एंड पे वेलोसिटी कितनी है सर? 15 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 5 के बाद कितने सेकेंड है? 6 7 8. फिफ्थ सेकेंड के एंड में वेलोसिटी है कितनी? 15 मीटर पर सेकेंड. कितने और सेकेंड? हाउ मच टाइम इज लेफ्ट? 6 7 8 3 मोर सेकेंड्स. वेलोसिटी इज 15, टाइम इज 3 सेकेंड. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड विल बी हाउ मच? 5 to 8 सेकेंड्स तक डिस्टेंस कवर्ड विल बी 15 into 3 means 45 meters. Now you just have to add distance. Distance को add करना है. कौन कौन से को? Sir, I have to add 2.5, 7, 10.5, 13, 14.5 and 45. तो इसको जरा ऐड कर दो. 2.5 प्लस 7 7 8 9 9.5 9.5 हो गया 10 10 प्लस 10 20 20 प्लस 13 हो गया है 33 प्लस 14.5 33 43 47 47.5. सो बेसिकली 47.5 प्लस 45 कितना आ रहा है जी? 0.5 7 5 12 2 4 4 8 92.5 मीटर्स. 92.5 meters is the correct answer. Yes. Retardation? No. Retardation means negative acceleration. If acceleration is decreasing, it is acceleration only, but less. If velocity keeps decreasing, then it is retardation. Yes. Got it? Everybody? Yes, everybody, come on. देखो. If you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Quite lengthy. Yes, you're right, Saroj. If you want to take a screenshot, take a screenshot. But this is solvable from grade 9th concept only. है ना? हाँ, time was less, you are right. Grishu, that's true. I agree. Time was less. है ना? ठीक है? But is the question clear? क्योंकि ये question class 9th के level का है. Lengthy है. It is lengthy, but not of beyond your level. This is class 9th level only. Equation of motion only, right? है ना? चलो, come on. Let's move forward. Yes. Nitika, not all questions will be difficult. I'm telling you, if you have 10 questions of physics, 8 questions you will solve like this. Within less than 10 minutes, you will solve 8 questions. Remaining 2 questions might take 4, 5 minutes. Bas. Okay? Fine. Chalo, question number 7th on your screen. Let's see. Yes, Robin. You're right. Arohi, all the best. An object of mass 2400 kg is placed on a planet whose mass is 1/6 that of Earth and radius is 2 times of the Earth's radius. Then, will friction questions come? Shalini, no. Yes. Come on. See, this one is it's a board level question. I mean, it's your exam level question, simple exam level question. Come on. It's okay. Hunan, option, if you done misclick, it's okay, not a problem. Rough paper. Nahin. Lucky Gaming, if you are doing offline, you will get rough paper. If you are doing online, then please sit with your rough copy. Ooh. Weight of 9800 Newton and 980 Newton. I understand few calculation mistake have happened, otherwise this question is simple. Arey, ek baat batao. Wait. Now listen to me. What is weight? Sir, weight is equal to mass into acceleration due to planet. Now, what is G? G equals Gm upon R square. So, G on Earth is G, mass of Earth, upon R of Earth ka square. G on the planet is how much? Sir, gravitation constant doesn't change. Mass of planet is how much? 1/6 of Earth. Matlab, me by 6. Okay. Radius of planet is how much? 2 times of the Earth. Matlab radius of planet is 2re ka square. So what do you get? Sir, G me by 6 upon 4re square. इसको लिख दो, कितना आ रहा है? Sir, G me upon re square. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. 24 into this. Now, your Gme upon re square क्या है? It is G on Earth. It is how much? Sir, 9.8 meter per second square. So कितना आ रहा है? Sir, 9.8 upon 24 is the G on the planet. Right? Weight on the planet will be m into Gp. मतलब sir, 2400 into 9.8 upon 24. 24 से गया कितना हो गया? 100. 9.8 into 100, 980 newtons. Clear है? Yes. Robin, leaderboard will be after 10th question and then after 15th question. ठीक है? Fine. चलो. Clear हो गया? Everybody, yes or no? See, this question was a simple question. This we have done lot of practice. Super 30 में we have done. In revision we have done. Board Menti we have done these kind of questions. Hai na? Got it? Very good. I thought 9.8. Huh? Yes, very good. Nice, Pavitra. Chalo, come on. Question number 8 on your screen. Now, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल है ना, थोड़ा जल्दी करेंगे अब. Scoreboard after 10th. Hello Shakuntala. An object is thrown vertically upwards. The quantity which remains constant. Arey yaar, very easy question. Come on, very quickly. Everyone should vote. It's okay, ruler, please. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is good marks, Chitra. Done. Very good. Object is thrown vertically upwards. The quantity which remains constant is. क्या constant रहता है when you throw something upwards? Displacement, momentum, speed, acceleration. It's a very simple question. Huh? Come on. सबका सही आना चाहिए ये. Everybody. Oh, nice, Pavitra. है ना? Simple. Class 9 का exam easy है यार. All this is you are preparing for grade 11 सीधे. I'm telling you. Very good. 18 people. Few misclicks. अरे acceleration is always downwards. How much? Sir, 9.8 meter per second square. Everything can change. Displacement can change, speed can change, velocity can change, everything can change. But what doesn't change? Acceleration due to Earth. 9.8. That is why it is the answer. Very good. Question number 9 on your screen. Come on. Very good. Question number 9. देखो भाई 9th question बोल रहा है, a ball dropped from top of a tower. Find the ratio of distance covered in 5th, 4th and 3rd second. Hey, let me ask you. How many of you attended the previous ANTHE session last week? कितने लोगों ने last week का ANTHE session attend किया था? क्यों अगर किया था, this question is a cakewalk for you. Yes, energy potential Shalini, yes, that is on my list. It is on the top priority of my list. Don't worry. नहीं किया था? हर्षित बच्चा कल आना था, लेकिन कल क्या तबीयत खराब हो गई यार, तो भागना पड़ गया घर. तो सैटरडे को हो रहा है क्लास. देखो स्पेशली हम सैटरडे को कर रहे हैं इसीलिए इस बार. कम ऑन. Last week ANTHE session, people who watched it, I derived one very important relation. If you know that, this question is super easy. एक क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज लास्ट वीक का ANTHE session जरूर देख लेना. वो जरा सी चीज है, छोटी सी, इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग, बट इफ यू लर्न दैट इट बिकम्स वेरी पावरफुल. इट्स अ शॉर्ट ट्रिक यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट. नाइस, यू वॉच ना. हाँ, वेरी गुड. फॉर्मूला ऑफ SNH. नाइस अशोक. I have given you enough time. Don't worry. It's okay, Pavitra. Come on. Whole science and Mahima, it's happening next week. Full complete science and it's happening. Full complete science plus math. Havesh, I'm from NIT Trichy. NIT Trichirappalli. I mean, to be more precise. Commonly we call it NIT Trichy. Grishu, the time is given for people who want to derive this. जितने लोग को इसको derive करने का मन है उनके लिए टाइम दिया है. Oh, it's okay, Blaze. Nice. Revision. Blaze, we did revision, no? Oof, 13 people gave the right answer. Arey, listen to me. Everybody, if you drop something, है ना, if you drop something, right, in 1 second, it reaches here, in next second, it reaches here, total time is 2 seconds, in next second, it reaches here, total time is, sir, 3 seconds. Question is, distance traveled in each second, कितना होता है? Sir, in 1 second distance traveled will be u equals 0, right? है ना? U equals 0. G तो G है ही. S I don't know, right? So you can say S equals ut मतलब 0 plus half into G into T square. कितना टाइम लगा? सर 1 second. 1 square कितना लगा? सर G by 2. Okay. Next, in 2 seconds, how much distance covered? Sir, distance covered will be S equals U is 0, है ना. टोटल इन 2 seconds. 2 सेकेंड में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर हुआ? सर S equals 0 प्लस हाफ इंटू G इंटू T स्क्वायर मतलब 2 स्क्वायर, यानी कि हाफ इंटू G इंटू 4. सो दिस इज 2G. और I won't write it as 2G. I will say you write it as, sir, 4G by 2. Okay, 4G by 2. But how much is the distance covered in only this? Sir, total distance minus this distance कितना आ रहा है? 4G by 2 minus में G by 2. It is 3G by 2. The ratio of distance traveled is how much? Sir, 1:3. Getting my point? Nice. I'm not deriving completely. Everybody, the complete derivation I have done in last week. Last week's session, but today I'm just giving you a glimpse. The ratio of this is S1, this is S2th, है ना? Second में कितना distance cover हुआ? Ratio of S1 is to S2 is to S3 is 1:3:5:7:9. ठीक है, right? S fourth, S fifth, this is third, this is second, this is first. It comes in these odd ratios, odd number ratio में आता है ये हमेशा. Derivation last week के सेशन में है, अच्छे से पूरा लंबा derivation किया है, and that was a brilliant question. Question ने क्या पूछा है? Yes, 5th second, 4th second, 3rd second, मतलब सर 9, 7 and 5. अच्छा, 9:7:5 आंसर आ गया. Yes. Science और participant full. Shubham, next week we'll give you full plan. Next week we'll have complete grade Menti, है ना? Right? 9:7:5. This is how you have to solve this question. ठीक है? Fine. Clear हो गया? बच्चों, if you want to learn derivation, please watch the last week's session. That was a very nice question, by the way. If you haven't watched, please watch. It had some very good questions, and this question was the toughest and the most brilliant question. ठीक है? I derived this completely. Fine. चलो, come on. 9:7:5 आ जाएगा आंसर. Oh, next subject के लिए class. Yeah, you will have. Don't worry. Schedule है, तुमको दिया हुआ है. Yes, चलो. Question number 10. After this, we have leaderboard. Hey, come on. Very easy question. ये तो हम सर खेलते आ रहे हैं इन क्वेश्चनों के साथ कब से. We have been playing with these questions for a long time यार. Come on. A time velocity graph of three vehicles A, B and C starting from rest at the same time in the given figure. Yeah. Come on. See everybody, if you are watching this on YouTube, you might say sir क्या लिखा है समझ नहीं आ रहा. On Menti it is coming correct. On Menti it is coming to be correct. On YouTube you might see कि sir figure is overlapping the options. On Menti it is fine. Arey, I tested myself. Everybody, if you notice, this is a very common question. Class 10th में VI graph के अंदर, class 9th में all the displacement time, velocity time, all these graphs में, this is one major thing which anybody can do. Every examiner can do this. And today if you solve it, it's very easy. Yes, Shubham, agreed. It's a very zaruri point. It's a very important point. We'll give you the whole plan properly. Nice. V and T are interchanged. You tell me something. If this graph used to look like this, अगर ये graph ऐसा होता, sir, velocity इधर, time इधर, this was like this. A, B, C. What would you have said? Maximum acceleration will be for, sir, acceleration maximum will be for A, B or C. In this case, you tell me. Acceleration will be maximum for A, B or C. Sir, क्या बात कर रहे हो? Don't ask me these silly questions, यार. A, what is this? Sir, slope of A is maximum, so acceleration of A will be maximum. Slope of C is minimum, so acceleration of C will be minimum. Okay, sir, okay. What is the problem with this graph? If you notice, the difference is, here it is time and velocity. There are two ways of solving it. First, you flip the graph. If you notice, this is a flipped version of that graph. है ना? उस graph को लो, है ना? You take that graph and you flip it. है ना? इस graph को you flip it. That is one way. What I have drawn here is the flipped version. Yes, that was the main drill. Yes, correct है ना? या तो उसको flip कर दो. Second way is, sir, if I don't want to flip, if I make mistake, but if you don't want to flip, still you can judge from V and T graph whose slope will be high. कैसे करोगे? Sir, if I draw a common line like this, इसका मतलब this time is t. For the same time t, velocity of A is maximum. मतलब Sir, acceleration of A is maximum. Slope of A is maximum. A is equal to maximum slope for the same time t. है ना? For the same time t. B is here. अच्छा. For same time, velocity of B is minimum. B has minimum slope. So इसका मतलब हो गया maximum acceleration is of A. Right? है ना? Sign down association and make a graph about the same. Yes, Apeksha, I will. But I want this in the comment section because the team should read this. Very good, है ना? This was easy. Nice. बच्चों easy है, सब आसान होता है. Let's see the leaderboard, the second leaderboard. Come on. What do we have? अरे वाह. Asta on first now. Nice. Anand Physics Einstein on second, Abhimanyu Kumar on third, Mannat on fourth, Saloni on fifth, Tanmay on sixth, King, you were the fastest, you were on seventh, Sakshi Srivastava on eighth, Vineet on ninth, and Earthman on 10th. 5 more questions. बच्चों जल्दी बताओ, मजा आ रहा है? See, all these questions normally कोई solve नहीं कराता है. लोग पता है क्यों करते हैं? People don't solve these questions because पहली चीज, every student don't want this. हर किसी को नहीं करने हैं. सबको नहीं करने होते, ये बात सच है. And that is why these kind of questions, no, they don't garner more views, they don't garner more students. इसीलिए लोग नहीं कराते. Why are we doing it? पहली चीज, we are trying to get you prepared for class 11th, class 12th, and second, all the competitive examinations. भाई basic question कितना करोगे? If you are okay with them, then you should do it, है ना? Right? Easy है ना? Second thing is, I want you to feel confident कि भाई competitive exams are not some other world. Alien नहीं है. Competitive examinations, all these are previous year questions, good previous year questions of previous year ANTHE paper. ANTHE is a full competitive level exam. If you are able to solve these questions, if you are able to understand these questions, means you are more than capable to solve good questions of competitive level. You are ready. तुमको कुछ नहीं चाहिए, डरने की जरूरत नहीं भाई, तुम ready हो, ठीक है? This confidence I want in you, right? है ना? Very good. Yeah, Ashok, we have done few tough. See, not all questions will be tough in any competitive exam. Today I am showing you competitive exam में easy question भी होते हैं, tough question भी होते हैं. If you are able to solve, this is more like a competitive exam paper only. I'm telling you. Yes, चलो. With this confidence, with this boost in your mind, let's move to question number 11. Let's see. Very good. क्रॉस 50 लाइक अमित, आई नो. अरे देखो आज के सेशन में लोग बच्चे कम आएंगे बिकॉज बहुत सारे बच्चों को डर लगता है यार. एवरीबडी डजंट वांट दिस, बट इफ यू वांट दिस एंड यू आर डूइंग दिस, मतलब तुम में कुछ स्पेशल है. बिलीव दैट, आई एम टेलिंग यू. इफ टुडे यू आर हियर इन सॉल्विंग दोस क्वेश्चंस, मींस यू आर स्पेशल. गो अहेड. 2 blocks of masses 10 kg and 20 kg are at rest and connected as shown. इसको देखिए कोई ये मत सोचना सर क्लास 11th है ये तो. A force of 30 Newton is applied on the 20 kg. Distance traveled in 2 seconds is. You try this. I will give you a short trick to solve these questions. Come on, connected motion, nice. Constrained motion. Eureka, I'm saying in this question there are 2 blocks of mass 10 kg and 20 kg like this, है ना? They are at rest and connected as shown. A force of 30 Newton is acting on this 20 kg wala block. Okay. Distance traveled in 2 seconds is how much? That is the question. Yes. Hello Arjun. It's okay. We have 5 questions. 7 students got 2 meters. Nice. Everybody, to solve this question, the first thing you want to do is find acceleration. How many of you understand how to find acceleration? कितने लोगों को acceleration निकालना आता है in this question? Tell me. In this case, how many of you were able to find acceleration? Because if you can find acceleration, distance is very easy. Yes? No. Tension, see, if I give you tension, no, then it becomes class 11th question. Right now, even though it looks like class 11th question, it is not. It's a class 9th question. I'll tell you why. I think good. Now listen to me. Let me ask you something first. एक बात बताओ. See, one important assumption which you should know is, in such questions, string is inextensible. Sir, which string? This string. है ना, this string is inextensible. I cannot stretch the string. String खिंच नहीं सकता है. It is inextensible, which means, right? समझ नहीं आया? अर्णव, in these questions, this is inherent. हमेशा ना यही मिलेगा तुमको, especially class 9th. You will get all the length or all the strings which are non-stretchable, जो खिंच नहीं सकते. इसका मतलब क्या है? वो लेंथ फिक्स रहेगा, राइट? हाँ, राइट, इट्स ओके ना. इसका मतलब, लिसन टू मी, if this 20 kg block moves by 1 meter, if this 20 kg block moves by 1 meter, आगे, how much will this 10 kg block move? If you answer this question is done. Tell me. Come on. Hello Rishika, good evening. Yes Shivam. I'll give you reason for that, why we can assume that. 1 meter. Right. क्यों? Sir, if this side of the string is moving 1 meter, this side also will need to move 1 meter. Why? अगर it moves less, मतलब string will stretch, which is not possible, right? है ना? So this will have to move 1 meter. Now you think about it. If your 20 kg block is moving with 1 meter per second, your 10 kg block will have to move with 1 meter per second. क्यों? सोच के देखो, sir, if this end is moving with 1 meter per second and this one is moving with 0.5 meter per second, क्या होगा? What will happen? Sir, it will happen like this. ये आगे चला जाएगा. This will go forward and this will remain behind. It will stretch. Not possible. Both the ends will need to move with same velocity. Right? Yes. Pravinya, Menti code is given, bacha. 82667443. है ना? Go to menti.com and put this code. You can join. Come on. Or if you try some other browser, right? If 20 kg block is moving with acceleration A, 10 kg block is moving with acceleration A. Now that do you understand this? Tell me. Yes? Yes, Arnav, you're right. Do you understand this? Because if you understand this question becomes very simple. I'll tell you why. समझ गया? Very good, बहुत अच्छे. अब सुनो, अगर दोनों ब्लॉक को सेम एक्सेलरेशन से ही चलना है, if both the blocks have to move with same acceleration, imagine these are not two blocks. Imagine this is one block, है ना? This is a closed box. This is a closed box with mass 30 kg. Then, bhai, both the blocks were moving with same acceleration, na? So if you think this block plus this block as one system, your full system is moving with what? Same acceleration. So your system mass is 30 kg, force is 30 Newton, acceleration is F upon M. That is 30 upon 30. That is 1 meter per second square. मिल गया acceleration? Yes. हाँ, Prachi, mental ability, yes. There is a video and Arsh ma'am or Khushbu ma'am, somebody will bring you more videos. Sorry, Arsh ma'am will bring you video for class 9. So you got the acceleration. Now what is there? Sir, क्या चाहिए? Time. Time is 2 seconds. T is equal to 2 seconds. U is equal to 0. You have to find what? Distance covered, na? S is equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0. 0 plus half into 1 into 2 का square. मतलब, sir, this is coming out to be 4 upon 2. 2 meters. Answer. Prachi, class 10th के लिए we are doing physics is on Saturday. But for class 10th, mental ability will happen. Don't worry. Pakka. Nice. Everybody clear हो गया? The only reason I combined both of these blocks because both of them were moving with same acceleration. है ना? Because both of them were moving with same acceleration. That's why I said forget about one block. दिस होल इज टुगेदर वन सिस्टम विद मास 30 kg, क्योंकि दोनों सेम एक्सीलरेशन चल रहे हैं इसीलिए. ठीक है, फाइन है ना. फीलिंग गुड. अगेन दिस इज क्लास 11th लुकिंग क्वेश्चन. ये क्वेश्चन क्लास 11th का है, बट यू सॉल्व्ड इट विद नॉलेज दैट यू हैड. कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं लगाया तुमने, एवरीथिंग यू नो, है ना, राइट. टुडे आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर गेटिंग इट, आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर फीलिंग इट, लेकिन अगर तुमको ये फील आ रहा है ना कि क्लास 11 भारी नहीं है, इट इज अ वेरी बिग विन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. क्लास 11th अगर तुमको लग रहा है ना सर उतनी भारी भी नहीं है जितना हम सोचते थे, वैसे ही डर रहे थे, ऑल दीज आर क्लास 11th क्वेश्चंस, यू आर सॉल्विंग देम अभी आसानी से. दैट इज अ वेरी बिग विन, इट्स अ वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट. और आज अगर तुम ये कर रहे हो मतलब फील वेरी गुड यार, सोचो, राइट. नाइस, कंप्लीट ऑलरेडी, वेरी गुड अशोक. अब लग रहा है ना बहुत अच्छे. बस ये लगना चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए बेटा. आई एम टेलिंग यू, फील कॉन्फिडेंट एंड नोबडी विल बी एबल टू डिमोटिवेट यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, कम ऑन. Two masses 10 kg and 5 kg are separated by a distance of 2 meters. If 20 kg is placed on the line of interaction, then yes, Shubham, that gravitation, fluid mechanics, I'm not sure today, but last week I had one question. नहीं निशान, डर नहीं लगता यार. फिजिक्स just need थोड़ा टाइम, थोड़ी रिस्पेक्ट, थोड़ा प्यार, थोड़ी मोहब्बत, बस, एंड फिजिक्स विल गिव एवरीथिंग बैक टू यू डबल करके. आई एम टेलिंग यू, कम ऑन. नाइस यार शौर्य, दिस इज वेरी गुड. हेलो यशु, कम ऑन. यस, सी दिस क्वेश्चन अगेन यू माइट फील सर इट इज टफ, बट दिस क्वेश्चन इज एक्चुअली वेरी इजी. Subhashri, code is 82667443. Nice, welcome Yeshu. If you are new and you love what we do, if you are understanding everything, don't forget to press the subscribe button, है ना. subscribe button जरूर press करना. बगल में there is a bell icon, you press that also, because today we are targeting all the competitive examinations questions, right. This is for ANTHE, this can be for Olympiads, right. yes, question भारी नहीं है, I'm telling you. गुड इवनिंग. हेलो दुर्गा. नहीं, साइंस समझ नहीं आती. अरे नहीं यार, साइंस इजी है. साइंस ही तो बेस्ट आई फील इज साइंस. हाँ, सोशल साइंस मेरे को समझ नहीं आती थी, दैट आई एग्री. ओके, लेट मी आस्क यू. दिस इज 10 kg, दिस इज 5 kg, एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर 2 meters apart. ठीक है, this is the question, yes or no, right. this is the question, yes. Anyway, I am from UP, Bijnor. Thank you cuties. Come on everybody, jaldi tell me. yes, यही question है ना. this is the question diagram, okay, right. हाँ, nice, very good. now you tell me. First option is net force on 5 kg is 0 when 20 kg is placed 2√2 meters left from 5 kg. Right, tell me, is this diagram correct? Is this diagram correct? yes. नहीं, I think correct नहीं है. 5 kg was there and 10 kg was here. It was 5 kg here and this was 10 kg here, right, है ना. correct. नहीं, I'll tell you the reason. अभी ठीक है कि पहले वाला ठीक था? yes. now listen to me. गलत है ना. हाँ, you're right, this is correct. पहले नहीं, ये वाला this is correct. I'll tell you why. yes. हाँ, listen to me. question बोल रहा है you have to keep a mass of 20 kg somewhere. भाई both of these options, it is telling you you have to keep a mass of 20 kg somewhere on this line such that net force on 5 kg is 0. Net force on 5 kg is 0. Now you tell me, 20 kg I should put on the right of 5 or left of 5? Net force on 5 needs to be 0. 20 kg will be on the right of 5 or left of 5? You tell me that. Come on. Yes. Right. Left. Of course, left. Think about it. If I keep this 20 kg here, 20 kg will apply force in this direction. Your 10 kg will apply force in this direction. Both are in the same direction. It will start accelerating. So what do you want? Sir, I want to cancel the forces, na? Which means your 20 should not be here. Right? 20 should not be here. 20 should be where? Sir, 20 should be on this side. So that 20 will pull in this direction. Your 10 will pull in this direction. Both are opposite, then it can cancel. So it should be, first of all, it should be to the left. है ना? That is true. Right. ये तो गलत है. This might be right. Yes, है ना? Left, very good. चलो ठीक है. One is fine. Next, एक और देखते हैं. Next वाला बोल रहा है कि भाई, let's say इसको मत हटा देते हैं जरा. हाँ, this is your 5 kg. Next बोल रहा है कि सर net force on 10 kg is 0. Net force on 10 kg is 0. When 20 kg is placed to the right or left. अब ये बताओ. When there is a possibility. Possibility कब है? When is there a possibility that the net force on 10 kg becomes 0? When you keep 20 kg to the left or right? First of all, you tell me. Left or right? 0 हो सकता है. कब? When 20 kg is to the right or left? Yes. Hello, Mutu Patlu. Yes, come on. Now you tell me. For 10 kg, we have to make net force on 10 kg to be 0. 20 को where can be put? Right or left? Very good. Nice. Right. हर्षित, मेंटी क्विज कब करना है? चल रहा है मेंटी क्विज. मैं समझा रहा हूँ अभी वैसे. राइट है ना? सो वन थिंग इज फॉर श्योर कि सर टू द राइट रहेगा. ये तो पक्का है जी. टू द राइट रहेगा, लेफ्ट तो नहीं हो सकता. सो दिस वन इज रॉन्ग. अब एक चीज और. नाउ रीड दिस ऑप्शन. Net force on 10 kg is 0 when 20 kg placed 4 meters right from 10 kg. Sir, I don't know. This too I don't know. We have to calculate. So you have got two cases. Right? You have got two cases. What? Sir, 5 kg, 10 kg and this is your 20 kg. ठीक है? Second case is 5 kg, 10 kg and this is your 20 kg. This is 2 meters, this is 2 meters, this is x which I don't know. Sorry, this is x and this is let's say y. This is y. Now we have to find this x and y. अब ये दो possibility बचती हैं. Yes. वर्णिका, see. To make net force on 5 kg 0, right? To make net force on 5 kg 0, you will have to keep the 20 kg on the left. You cannot keep it on right. So one option you eliminated. Second option, to make net force on 10 kg to be 0, you have to keep 20 kg to the right. You cannot keep it to the left. क्यों? Both will attract, है ना? So that's why. अब now you have to find x and y. Yes, है ना? Kriti, हाँ, slightly late, but it's okay, not a problem. Now what you have to do is you have to find this x and y. What you have to do? Sir, very easy. Force will be how much? Sir, G 20 into 5 upon x square is equal to, sir, g 5 into 10 upon 2 square. But you have to equate the force simply, right? यहाँ पर क्या होगा, sir, force, this force will be g 5 into 10 upon 2 square is equal to g, ये वाला force will be sir 10 into 20 upon में y square. अब कैंसिल कर दो भाई, 10g कैंसिल हो गया, 20g ओ सॉरी 5g 20 नहीं 5g कैंसिल हो गया और 10 से 22 आ गया, राइट? सो व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग, यहाँ पर मिल रहा है आपको 2 into 4 is equal to x square. व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग ओवर हियर? भाई सर यहाँ पर क्या आ रहा है, यहाँ पर तो मेरे को दिख रहा है क्या आएगा 5 और 4 is a 20, right? So y square is equal to 4 into 4, right? Okay. So यानी कि x is equal to 2 root 2, y is equal to 4. दोनों सही हैं actually. Yes. x is 2 root 2 and y is 4. So actual में in this question कहाँ गया? 10 kg is 0. This is also right and this is also right. There was a slight mistake in this Menti question. Option C and option A both are right. Yes, option C and option A both were right. It's okay, there was a mistake in the question, but now you understand how to solve these questions. Adha logic, adha math. Half logic, half math, and these questions will be very simple. Yes? Little confusing, Varnika? First go with logic na. See, half of it is logic only. Simple. बाकी सब तो math है. Logic says, sir, you have to make net force on 5 kg 0 by putting 20 kg. You cannot put 20 kg on the same side, because then what will happen? Your net force will be on the one side. No, what do you want? You want net force to be like this. Then only it will cancel. On 10 kg also, you want net force to be on opposite side. Then only it will cancel. So 20 ko there you have to put to the left of 5 if you want to make net force on 5 to be 0. Here you have to put 20 to the right of 10 if you want net force on 10 to be 0. अब इसके बाद तो सिंपल सॉल्विंग है, फोर्स को जीरो करना है, इक्वेट करना है बेसिकली, है ना? सिंपल सी बात एकदम. यस, है ना? करेक्ट सुभाश्री, नॉट डिफिकल्ट बच्चा. हाफ लॉजिक हाफ मैथ, सिंपल है ना? राइट, चलो आगे आओ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 ऑन योर स्क्रीन एवरीबॉडी. यस Shalini, good question, thank you. See, all these questions, bachcho, they are pure competitive level questions. These will not come in your final examinations, I'm telling you. But if you are able to understand them, means you are on one step forward than everybody else for grade 11th, for all the competition level examinations, right? So that's why I'm telling you. This today's session is for to remove your fear, right? It's just to remove your fear. Okay? Question 13, dekho, fatafat, come on. 13 question says, a particle is moving on a given path, reach to point D from point A. The displacement is very, very, very easy question. And not all questions are difficult in any competitive examinations. Easy questions also come. But you will not do if you don't try. So please try, give ANTHE. This is your first step towards good national level examinations. और वो एक अच्छा exam है, all India level पे है. Please give that. Register right now. Today is the last date for 7th date. जिन लोग को 7th को एग्जाम लेना है उनके लिए आज लास्ट डेट है, बिकॉज यू कैन रजिस्टर ओनली 3 days बिफोर द एग्जाम डेट. दैट्स वाई. ठीक है, रजिस्टर कर दो, अच्छा एग्जाम मिस कर दोगे नहीं तो. एंड इट्स फ्री ओनली. सस्ता सवाल है ये, सस्ता है ये वाला. यू आर राइट. वेरी गुड, नाइस. अरे इट वाज अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. अरे यार सर, A to D, दिस विल बी माई टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. Easy question, right? है ना? Very good. नहीं, you will not fail, Durga. Don't worry, बच्चा. If you are here today, means you aspire to do something good. Don't worry, you can do it. Practice. Easy ना? Very good. First class question. Ah, nice. चलो, and that was the easy question. Question 17. Sorry, question 14. The weight of any object on the earth will be maximum at. Ui, अरे यार, this is a very simple question. I mean, we have done so many concept bites, we have done so many revision sessions, and this is like very common thing. Come on. Weight of any object on the earth will be maximum at what? Equator, South Pole, North Pole, both 2 and 3. Yes. Easy question, I'm telling you. Don't be in a hurry. Yes. I think my voice is cracking ना. आवाज बैठती जा रही है शायद. Nivedita, all the best, bacha. Go and make everybody proud. Don't worry, and you will do very good. Don't worry. Nice. Both 2 and 3. You're right. Arey, it is more on poles. Sir, why? Because Earth is not a circle. Earth is a little bit like this anda. So from the center, distance of poles is less compared to distance of equator. Radius of equators is more compared to radius at poles. And what is the acceleration? G is equal to gm upon r square. If r is less, which is at poles, your g is more. Means acceleration due to gravity is more at poles compared to equator. Right? इसीलिए if you go to poles, your weight will be higher. If you go to equator, your weight will be lower. Weight lose करना है तो equator आओ. Right? Weight gain करना है तो pole चले जाओ. ठीक है? Fine. चलो. Question number 15. Everybody, yes. Nazira, bacha, what I'm saying is, acceleration due to gravity is g mass of Earth upon radius of Earth ka square. Now, radius at poles is less than radius at equator, right? Which means acceleration due to gravity at poles is more than acceleration to gravity at equator. And what is weight? Weight is equal to mass into g. If g is higher, weight will be higher, and g is higher where? On poles, North Pole and South Pole both, right? ठीक है? चलो, come on. Question 15. Yes, ellipse. Grishu, you are right. We call this shape as geoid. It's a solid, ना? Ellipse होता है एक circle जैसा, right? है ना? बिल्कुल शुभ हम कर सकते हो, बिल्कुल कर सकते हो. But वहाँ जाने में पैसा बहुत लगता है, और custom वाले छोड़ेंगे नहीं तुमको. Yes, Amisha, please ask it out. हाँ, nice. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ask it out. Come on everybody, question number 15, the last question for today, on your screen. Let's see Tanmay. Tanmay का guess गलत हो गया, कोई बात नहीं. Last question flotation last बार था. Come on. Which of the following is incorrect about the motion of an athlete running in a circular path with constant speed? Samiksha, ask the doubt, because I can see a lot of times sir doubt, but I don't know what is the doubt. You ask me the doubt, I'll reply back. Don't worry. I should say C. Chalo bhai. Velocity remains constant in magnitude but changes direction. Acceleration is directed towards the center of the circular path. Direction of acceleration is continuously changing. And velocity remains constant in direction but changes in magnitude. Come on. This is the last question. Don't worry. Yes. It's okay, Asta. No, not a problem. Oh, we're very nice. Very good. Velocity remains constant in direction but changes in magnitude. Which of the following is incorrect? क्या पूछा है? Sir, incorrect. First option. Velocity remains constant in magnitude. अरे हाँ, see, if you are going in uniform circular motion, velocity का magnitude remains the same, but what keeps changing? Sir, direction keeps on changing. Why? Because direction is tangential, right? It is tangential. Okay. Acceleration directed towards the center of. Yes, you are right, bhai. Acceleration is always directed towards the center, right? Acceleration is always towards the center. That is also fine. Direction of acceleration is continuously changing. Hey, is it wrong? Sir, direction is always towards the center. Then acceleration direction is constant, no? Am I right? If direction of acceleration is always towards the center, isn't direction of acceleration constant? Come on, tell me. It always changes. No. Last time I told this to you. तुषार, online is better. घर बैठे बैठे हो जाएगा. Yes, it changes. Sir, why? Acceleration is a vector quantity, right? If you choose this one and let's say this one, this and this, although both are towards center, but both are not in the same direction. Direction मतलब arrow किधर है? Arrow किधर है? All of this could be in the same direction. All of these could be in the same direction, but these two are not in the same direction. Why? Sir, ऐसे है, right? So that's why. Don't get confused. Acceleration का magnitude remains same, but it keeps changing the direction, right? है ना? तो क्या सही बैठता है? Velocity remains constant in direction, right? This is wrong. But changes in magnitude, हाँ, ये गलत है भाई. And that is why it is the incorrect option. Correct है ना? Very good. It's a vector quantity. You're right. हाँ, Saloni, I told this in the previous session. बच्चों, everybody, see, if you seriously want to give ANTHE, I will suggest you please watch the last session. It also has 15 questions, good questions, है ना? And easy ones you skip, tough ones you solve. That you can do. You can save your time like that, है ना? Yes. Very good. If you fail in class 9, Durga, nothing will happen. They will just ask you give 9th again, but it's very see, you need to work very hard if you want to fail in class 9th. So don't work that hard. ठीक है? Class 9th में fail होने के लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. I'm telling you, बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी if you want to fail in class 9th. उतना मेहनत मत करना. You won't fail. Don't worry. ठीक है? Fine. Let's see 15 question के बाद का final leaderboard. Let's see यार. Come on. We all deserve it. What do we have? Yes, so Olympiads are good. Yes, Nivedita. And all these ANTHE sessions will help you for Olympiads also. Astha on first position. Very good, Astha. Nice. 8,198 points. Second is Abhimanyu Kumar. Third is Manat. Fourth is Saloni. Fifth is Earthman. Sixth is Tanmay. Seventh is Adolf Hitler. Arey, hail Hitler. You are here. And you were the fastest. Nice. Sakshi Srivastav on 8th position. Kanak Thakur on 9th position. And King Sir is on 10th position. Very good, everybody. It's okay. Today's session, I know questions you might feel, sir, few questions were tough, but that's a good thing. You are learning something new. You have something extra from everybody else right now. Okay? So with this confidence, I want you to go and register for ANTHE if you haven't done yet. बहुत ज़रूरी है ANTHE register करो. It's a very good exam, all India level पे, और जीतने का तो बहुत मौके हैं. Very nice opportunities you have. Free coaching, 100% scholarship, National Science Expedition, planetariums, museums, all India में trip होगा, एकदम बढ़िया sponsor trip होगा. All these things are बाद का. कुछ नहीं तो अच्छा exam दोगे free में. और क्या चाहिए? Right? है ना? Nice यार अशोक, good. Hard but impossible, right? है ना? Everything is possible, I'm telling you. Today I want all of you to go home saying, sir, class 11th भी easy है यार. Today I solved some class 11th question which were not very difficult. I understood them. Class 9th में रह के you solved at least two class 11th question. Means you can do it. डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है? Fine. With this confidence, register for ANTHE. There is a link given to you in the description. उस पर register करो. अभी के अभी डेट खत्म हो रही है. It is almost in the end. Register करो. Everything else, tell me in the comment section, and everybody else subscribe right now. If you seriously want to study with some quality education, subscribe करो. Time pass बहुत कम होता है. Time waste बहुत कम होता है, right? Subscribe right now and press the bell icon and like this session. I'm telling you, yes, they were difficult. Yes, Tanmay, they were difficult, but you understood, no? That's more important. If they were difficult and you could not understand till now, then it's a problem. Yes, thank you, Sai. All right, everybody, see you next time. Take care. Register for ANTHE, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share it with your friends, and come on, press the like button. See, ANTHE, at least if you want to register, no, just tell it to others also. People who deserve good coaching, who deserve good preparation for JEE or NEET, but they don't have money. At least you tell to those people. Security भैया, maid, है ना, घर में काम करने आते हो कोई, security guards, office में कोई हो, somebody if you feel they have kids 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 7th maybe, but they don't have money, but they deserve good preparation, good education. Tell them to give this exam. It's free, है ना? इतना करो. It's a good thing, है ना? Just spread the awareness. Share it with your friends and press the like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Tell me in the comment section कोई दिक्कत, कोई परेशानी. We'll sort it out. Relax. चलो, bye bye. Take care. All the best.